Hello everyone, my name is Bhavish. In this video, we'll see how to install Appwrite on DigitalOcean. So what is Appwrite? Appwrite is nothing but a backend solution for web and mobile apps. So if you see here, Appwrite is a self-hosted backend-as-a-service platform. And in this video, we'll see the installation part, and in the upcoming videos, we'll see how to integrate this with Flutter. And if you see here, it says Appwrite is now available as a DigitalOcean one-click app. So to install, we'll go to DigitalOcean. And you have to log in. I have already logged in to my account. So this is my DigitalOcean account. And first, I'll create a new project. I'll name it Appwrite. And I'll write the description as Appwrite installation. And purpose is just trying out DigitalOcean. And then I'll create a project. I'll skip this for now. So our project is ready. Now what I can do is I can create a new droplet. Click on it and go to this marketplace section, and here you have to search for Appwrite. So this is the one. Click on it and it will be selected. Next you have to choose a plan. I will choose the one with regular SSD, and here the $6 one. And then so this comes with like it's one CPU droplet with 25 GB of SSD. And then how to select a data center. So make sure to select the one which will be near to your users. I'll select Bangalore. And then have to add SSH keys for authentication. So you can add a new SSH key. So to add, first you have to generate. So let me generate it quickly. SSH keygen, and it will ask, okay, I already have a key, and yeah, let's overwrite it. So it will ask for a passphrase. You have to enter, you can enter anything. And the key will be generated, and that will be generated here in the C users /.ssh here in this folder. So go to that, C users.ssh, and this you have to open it. Open with Notepad, and this key you have to copy and paste it here. I'll set this as Appwrite key. And you can select this Appwrite key. And then yeah, that's it. and click on create droplet. So this will take some time to create your droplet. And yes, it's created. Now what you can do is you can copy this and okay, let us wait for some time. I guess now let us see if it is set up. And yeah, so if you see here, our application is now, Appwrite server is now up and running. And here first, when you log in, you have to set up an account. So I'll give my name as Bhavish and email, and I'll set a password. And then click on sign up. And yeah, your installation is complete. And to create a new project, what you can do is you can click on create project and enter the name of your project. I'll write test. I'll create a test project, and then your project will be created. So here you have your database, your storage, users. So everything which you see in Firebase is available here. You can also set up cloud functions with this, everything. So this was the installation part. So if you want to access the server's console, you can go here, click on it, and you can click this button, access console, launch droplet console. So this will give you access to the terminal. And if we do ls, you see there is a folder called Appwrite, and we can cd into it. Now if you do you get a file that is docker compose. Here all the configurations are set up here in this file, in this YAML file. If I do ls-a, you'll see one more file that is .env. All the configurations are set up here. What you can do is you can use nano, use the text editor. You can open that in nano. I will open the env file. And if you see here, all the configurations are listed. The environment is now set to production itself, and if you want to make any changes, you can make it here. So we'll not go into this now. So this was it. This is how you set up Appwrite with DigitalOcean. And if you want to access with the from your Windows command prompt, you can do something like this. Open your command prompt, and because this is a bit laggy, if you open it in browser, you can access the terminal with your command prompt itself. What you can do is you can type SSH, you can log in as a root user, root at, and then the IP of your droplet. So you can copy this and paste. Yes, I want to continue. I have to enter the passphrase which you had given, and yes, this will connect you to the droplet terminal. Now if you see, I can do the same things which I did in the browser console. I mean the console which was opened in the browser. And this is it. This was the installation part. In the further videos we will see how to integrate with our Appwrite server with Flutter. And yeah, that is it.